Juji Jime, single cross choke. Variation 1. Uke is laying on his back. Tori is in the mount. Tori takes a high grip on the opposite collar with his left hand. The fingers are inside the gi, the thumb is outside of the gi. Palm is up. Tori takes a high grip with his right hand on the opposite collar. This time the fingers are outside the gi and the thumb is inside the gi. The palm is down. Tori's forearms are crossed in front of Uke's neck. The choke is completed by tightening the grip and spreading the elbows like scissors. This technique is a combination of a choke and a strangle. The strangle is restricting the flow of blood into Uke's brain through the carotid arteries. The choke is pressure on Uke's windpipe. Tori leans his upper body forward, adding the weight of his body to the choke. It is essential that Tori takes a very high grip with both hands and that his crossed forearms are under Uke's chin. Variation 2. Tori is laying on his back with Uke in his guard. Tori takes a high grip on the opposite collar with his left hand, fingers inside the gi, thumb outside the gi. The palm is up. Tori takes a high grip with his right hand on the opposite collar. This time the fingers are outside the gi and the thumb is inside the gi. The palm is down. Tori's forearms are crossed in front of Uke's neck. The choke is completed by tightening the grip and spreading the elbows like scissors. The difference between this choke, Gyaku Juji Jime, and Name Juji Jime, is the position of Tori's hands. In this particular technique, Tori's underhand has fingers in and thumbs out, while his top hand has thumb in and fingers out. In the other two chokes, there would be either both hands holding with fingers in or both hands holding with thumb in and fingers out. Variation 3. Uke is on his elbows and knees. Tori attacks from the side. Tori grabs Uke's left triceps with his right and left hands. Tori tries to row Uke over by pulling Uke's arm to his chest with both hands and leans into Uke. Uke resists the roll by bracing his body. While Uke is distracted, Tori changes his left hand grip from the triceps to the left collar. Fingers inside the gi, thumb outside of the gi. Tori releases the grip of his right hand on Uke's arm and takes a grip on the right side of Uke's collar. Tori shoots his right knee under Uke's belly and rolls on top of Uke. Uke cannot post to prevent this turnover. Tori is now in the mount and has a choke on Uke. It is important that Tori keeps his weight against Uke to make him push back. When Uke pushes back, Tori uses this energy to help him roll Uke over. Variation 4. Tori and Uke are in the standing position. Uke is fighting very defensively by excessively bending over. Tori takes a high right hand grip on the back of Uke's collar. Tori changes his left hand grip to the opposite side lapel. Fingers are inside the gi, thumb is outside of the gi. The grip is close and under his right hand. For this choke to be effective, it is essential that both of Tori's hands are holding Uke's collar very close to each other. Tori pulls down and turns to his right side to feint a shoulder throw attack. Uke will resist the forward throw by pulling back. At the same time Uke reacts, Tori swings his right forearm over Uke's head to the left side. The effectiveness of this technique decreases as the distance between Tori's gripping hands increases.